Also, I've had instances where the leaders are not open for change.
Mm,
I can't do anything anymore about that.
mm,
There are instances where you can sense that they have built um, there's resistance,
mm,
silos
mm,
in different organizations. One of my epic failures, and this will never happen again
mm.
because it did in one of my sessions. Two managers were fighting in
Oh
front of
gosh.
everyone
Oh my gosh. You mean like openly in class?
openly, and I was less
Oh.
experienced, honestly, back then. I didn't know how
Mm,
to handle these
mm,
situations.
mm,
And if I can just go back in time, I would have handled it differently.
mm,
And that's not just one time. Now I've had sessions like that where, because of my experience, also having those epic failures, I've handled them much better and
mm,
found avenues where they can talk about these things more openly.
mm.
In companies, we think that harmony is a lack of conflict, but a lack of conflict is a sign of a lack of trust because
Yes.
there's no progress without conflict.
Mm,
I love this definition by Patrick Lencioni, the five dysfunctions of a team. He said that conflict is the passionate pursuit of truth.